Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today is the unboxing and overview of the 21.5 inch iMac with 4K Retina display. Alright guys, just another unboxing here on B-Tech Reviews channel. Now, this is a special unboxing because first of all, this is not my iMac that I'm unboxing. It actually belongs to a friend that was very nice enough to actually let me do the justice, I guess, of unboxing this item for her. So I just want to give you guys a few of the specs here before I go ahead and start the unboxing here. Again, this is the 21.5 inch iMac with Retina display, and it's a 4K display. Let's take a look here. It's running off a 3.4 gigahertz quad-core Intel i5 with 6 megabits shared L3 cache, turbo boost up to 3.8 gigahertz. It's got 8 gigs of RAM clocked at 24 megahertz or 2.4 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 1 terabyte Fusion drive, guys. Gotta have that Fusion drive. Obviously, it's got a FaceTime HD camera for the people that love to FaceTime. It's got Radeon Pro 560 graphics with 4 gigs of VR RAM. Let's see, it's got 2 Thunderbolt and 3 USB Type-C ports, support for high-speed I/O and video output. It's got an SDXC card slot and a few of 4 with a USB Type-A ports. Your basic Ethernet port in the back, obviously, so we're going to probably try to get all of that stuff in the back shown for you guys with a little bit of B-roll sequence once we do the unboxing here. And just a lot of good stuff, obviously. It comes with Apple Magic Keyboard and Apple Magic Mouse, pre-installed Mac OS. It's going to have probably the newest version, which is Mojave, or it'll be updated to Mojave at least. So again, guys, let's get the unboxing going here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed here, and let's check this out. Again, I have the privilege of doing this, so shout out to my friend Patty for letting me do this. She just spent about, I want to say it was a little over $1,300 on sale at Best Buy, by the way. So I went ahead and, you know, undid this thing. It felt really good, by the way. But let's take a look. I'm going to lay this thing down, and hopefully I don't break anything, because this, again, it's a $1,200. Obviously, I don't have a zoom in display, so let me go ahead and try to get as close as I can. What would happen here? All right, here, so again, we're in the back of the actual MacBook, and excuse if the lighting is not great, but I'm gonna get just the bottom portion of the back here. Obviously, you have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, your SD card port. Of course, you have 2 USB Type-C ports, which is pretty much the norm in 2019. And of course, you have 4 USB 3.0 ports, including your Ethernet ports. So pretty freaking awesome, pretty minimalistic, obviously. And the point of having something like this is to, again, to reduce the amount of wires you have. And of course, the power button over here on the left. So let's get this thing connected and turned on, and we'll show you guys how it runs. Guys, we are here. It's a little darker now. Kind of have the lights turned off just to show you guys how beautiful this display is here. And I'm actually shooting on my cell phone here, so just give it a few seconds. I'm sorry if it's a little grainy, but we are actually running a Geekbench test. So it's almost done here, and hopefully we can show you guys exactly what you know, this scores as far as benchmarks. But we already have this set up. Unfortunately, the internet's not working in the area right now, so we are using my hotspot off my cell phone, which is running relatively slow. But guys, this is a pretty bomb-ass computer is all I'm gonna say. So let's go ahead and take a look at the benchmark scores here really quick. As you can see here, your single core score scored a 4955, and your multi-core score scored a 1484. So not too bad. Let's see. And again, let's go ahead and just show you what this is running really quick. Again, this is your iMac 21.5-inch with Retina display. This is a mid-2017 version though, so they haven't probably updated this version of the Mac in a couple years already, but more people probably go towards the 27-inch. This is again the 21.5-inch, but still good specs. Has 8 gigs of RAM, DDR4. Again, it's running on a Radeon graphics as well. And right now, again, once we get this updated to the newest version of Mac OS, it'll probably be running better than what you're seeing here. But again, Intel iCore i5 7500 version. It's a 4-core processor, clocked at 3.4 gigahertz, and again, it could go up to 3.8 with turbo boost. And again, this is just a 4K display. You can see here the numbers: single core score 49, crypto score, I don't know what a crypto score is, but you know, just to name a few things. We're just going to scroll down the list here just to see what it's giving you guys, so you guys can look at it. If you guys are interested in the Mac, I'm going to actually go ahead and post the Amazon link down below here, guys. Again, we purchased this at Best Buy, but again, you know, sometimes Best Buy will have better deals. So if you guys are interested in a Mac like this, again, a Mac, look, there it is. Again, the camera or the lighting is going to be real bad because we turned off the lights just so we can kind of get how good the screen looks. But again, guys, this is just a kind of an unboxing and overview of it. And for the most part, this Mac works like it's a brand new computer, obviously. So again, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.